Hey there guys, it's Tina and I am back. And today we are doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. When was the last time I did a BoxyCharm? Okay, everything fell out. That's great. Doing great, sweetie. Alright, so I am doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. I have not done one of these since February, which is a long old time ago, right? I used to do these monthly, and I'm just going to give you a little bit of an update, so I will leave a timestamp here so you can jump ahead if you just want to check out what's in the box. But we're going to talk for a little bit because I have to catch you guys up. So I had signed up for BoxyCharm last year and I got a 6-month subscription because I was really excited to try out a monthly subscription box, and I thought that BoxyCharm was the best monthly subscription box out there. I still think that actually. And then they had reached out to me after a couple of months and added me to their affiliate program, so they started sending me boxes and I was really excited to share like monthly unboxings with you guys. So the very last video that I did for them was a combination of the January and February box. And I'm just the type of person that I don't rush content. I don't like force content. I film when I have time. I have a full-time job, so this is not what I do every day, so I can't just as soon as I get a box do a video and edit and upload, right? So I would post my unboxing videos a little bit later in the month, even though they sent the boxes earlier in the month. And that's just how I do my thing. They're not paying me. It's not a sponsored video. They're literally just sending me a $20 box every month, which I was subscribed anyway, so it wasn't like a big deal to me. They didn't think so though, because they dropped me off the PR list. So that's one of the reasons you haven't seen like a monthly unboxing video from me in the last few months. And add to that, I'm going through a new makeup journey where I'm doing kind of a makeup cleanse and I'm bringing in less and less products into my collection. I'm being more selective because I am on a no-buy. So for me, getting a BoxyCharm box every month with 5 new products, it was just a little bit too much. So I said, okay, I'm not gonna renew my subscription. I'm gonna leave it alone. And since they removed me from the PR list, okay, I'm not even gonna reach out to them or anything, because I know the same thing happened to Jen from Jen Loves Reviews. And the way Jen does her videos is kind of a twofer, because she'll show you products from like a previous month and she tests them out, she'll give you reviews and thoughts, and then she'll show you products from the present month and kind of talk about those products too. So her videos were also on a delay and they dropped her from the list. She actually reached out to them and rectified the situation, because she's like, hey, I do these videos monthly for you, so what's the big deal about sending me the box? Here's my thing. It's $20 for the box. If it means that much for you for me to have to post the video within a few days of receiving the box and you're not paying me for that, like, excuse me, I'm almost giving you a free sponsored video on my channel monthly for a $20 box. Like, no, I'm not gonna do that. So I wasn't gonna reach out to them and ask to be added back to the PR list. Like, I didn't see the point in that, because it's too much to ask if you think I have to do a video in a certain time frame and I have to do it monthly. I'm gonna do my content how I want to do it, right? So I was like, all right, fine, bye. It's not that big a deal to me, and it also helps me with my makeup journey because now I'm not bringing in these 5 extra products a month. So that's when I canceled my subscription. That's when I got dropped from the list. So here we are today. If you have signed up for BoxyCharm through my recommendation and through my affiliate link, great, because I still think it's a great subscription service and I think they do have great products. And they've now revised their monthly subscription. So instead of paying $20, now it's $25. So they bumped up the price a little bit, and now they've added this BoxyCharm premium box, which is still a monthly box. So it's different from their BoxyLuxe. So BoxyLuxe is a quarterly upgrade that you can do for your BoxyCharm box, and it happens in March, June, September, and December. You would pay a higher price for those BoxyLuxe months and you would get an upgraded box with more products in the box, and you would also get higher end brands as well. So a lot of people will sign up for BoxyLuxe 4 times a year. Now they've added a premium box that instead of being that $25 price monthly, it's $35 monthly, and instead of getting the 4 to 5 full-size products, which is just the regular BoxyCharm box. You get 6 to 7 full-size products, and you get to choose one of your products. So you can go in every month and choose a specific item that you want in your box while supplies last, of course, because they may not have like unlimited supplies of certain products, and you can choose that certain product to get in your box in addition to the rest of them that are random. Now it says for the first month you're going to be charged $25 for BoxyCharm plus $35 for the premium. So that first month that you sign up for that premium box, you're gonna get 2 boxes, the regular BoxyCharm and then the premium box. But it says here, if you get both boxes in the month, they will make sure that you don't get repeat items. And you can keep that subscription where you get the 2 boxes, the BoxyCharm regular box and then the Boxy premium, or you can cancel either one of them. So maybe you're like, I tried the premium, I just wanna stick to the regular BoxyCharm, so you'd cancel premium. Or maybe you get the premium and you're like, I'd rather this over the regular BoxyCharm, and you just keep that subscription. So either you keep both boxes or you cancel either one and stick to just one box. So for this month, I only got the regular box, and I'll tell you why I signed up for this box, because it is the first product in this box. So let's jump into the items in this box. So the theme for this month is stellar, which is definitely more cosmic. So here's why I signed up for this box. They did a sneak peek on Instagram of like a palette that was gonna be released in the November box. And I was like, excuse me, please, I need this box. And that's why I like resubscribed, and I canceled my subscription already because I don't want to continue getting it. I just wanted this palette. So I paid the $25 plus tax, so my total came up to $27.16. I round up to $30 and call it a wash, okay? So $30 just to get this palette, and I would have paid $30 for this palette. No problems, no questions asked. So this is the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is exclusive to BoxyCharm. So this is an abbreviated version of the Celestial Storm palette, which I'll pop up over here so you can see it. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's a 12-pan eyeshadow palette. It retails for $44, and I was interested in that color scheme. I was like, oh my god, that is so pretty. I wanted it so bad, and I thought about getting it during the Sephora VIB sale for that 20% off, but I was like, I don't really know if I want to get that. And then when I saw this, I'm like, this is what I'm getting instead, because instead of the 12 eyeshadows, now you're getting 6. It's abbreviated. It just has these shades, and these are the shades that I was most drawn to in this palette anyway, so I don't feel like I'm missing out on the larger palette, and this was perfect for me. And I literally spent $30 for this and some additional products. So I was happy to get this. I like a smaller, more abbreviated, concentrated color story. Now I do like the Latte palette that I have from Dominique Cosmetics. I think that's a great formulation, but I tried the Lemonade palette, didn't like that. The shimmers were just questionable for me. And then she released 2 more that I really wasn't interested in. I think one's a berry palette. The color story is just not my vibe. And then there's another one that I didn't even bother with, but this one screamed my name. So for the larger palette, there are 12 shades. There's 6 mattes and 6 shimmers that kind of coordinate with each other. And in this palette, you're getting 8 shades. And these are the shades that I really wanted, because the 4 missing shades from the large palette are not the ones that I really gravitated towards. So you have a matte and shimmer duo of purple. Didn't really care for that. That's like a fuchsia purple. Don't care for those shades. You have the coordinating like shimmery teal. Don't care about that either. And then you have a shimmery duochrome light peachy, like it's a peachy champagne shade. I would have liked that shade, but it wasn't a big deal to miss that. In this palette now, you get 5 of the mattes. All mattes that I wanted. This is great because the only one I'm missing is the purple, which I don't care about. And then you get 3 shimmers, which I really like these shimmers. I have this one on my eyelid right now, but I have it topped with something else to make it a little bolder. But I use these eyeshadows and I really like them. The mattes are nice and creamy. They apply really well. They're not dusty or thin or powdery. They just have nice body to them. I feel like they could have a little bit more pigmentation, so you need a better primer to work with these. But they're not like a bad shade. I just feel like I have other palettes that do have a little bit more punch to the color payoff. But these still are very great. You just need to be careful with the primer that you use. I love this palette. Like, the shades are so beautiful. The cosmic theme is gorgeous. I like this, and I think this is a great way to try out the formula. So this palette retails for $35, which I would have happily paid for this palette on its own, but to get it in a BoxyCharm box with 4 other products and to get it at $30 for the whole box, that's like a great bargain for me. So that is why I signed up for this box. I had to get this palette, and it's exclusive to BoxyCharm, so there was no other way to get it. The next thing we got is this Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment from Juice Beauty. This retails for $50, and I'm like, for who? Excuse? $50. I know Juice Beauty is a pretty decent brand, so to get one of their products in the box and one that retails for that much, hello. So this is an under eye treatment. It says it's a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into organic antioxidant rich botanical juices, and it works to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. So it has vitamin C, which I really appreciate. But there's like a bunch of fruit juices, and I think the acids in fruits are not necessarily the best to apply to your skin. I don't know too much about skincare and ingredients and how they affect the skin, so I don't know. But this guy is a tube with a little bit of a funky applicator. So you pump it up, which is good because I like a pump, and you get a little bit of product on this applicator that you can apply directly under the eyes. I don't care about this applicator because I'm still going to use my fingers to blend it out. But it's cute, you know. It's more of a lightweight gel formula. So it's a little bit different from any other eye cream that I use. It's not very heavy, very lightweight, sinks into the skin really easily, and it leaves behind almost like a semi-matte finish. It's okay. I don't know like if it's going to give me $50 worth of results, but we're gonna use it because it seems to be a cool enough product. So thank you so much for that. The next thing I got in my box is Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. So this is the shade Nude Mood, and it's a liquid matte lipstick. I like the Dose of Colors formula, and these retail, I believe, for $18 a pop. So this is a good value to get in the box as well. And this color I'm actually wearing right now with a little lip liner and a little lip gloss. And I really like this color. I think it's a really beautiful nude on me, and I'm glad it's not like a pale nude that I couldn't wear. It's just a really good color. So I'm happy with this one. The Dose of Color liquid lipstick formula is a decent one. It's not like ultra drying, but it's not my favorite liquid lipstick formula. But it does still rank up there with the comfort level, the wear, and the color selection. So I do really like this formulation. I really like this color. So far I'm happy with the palette and this lip color. The Juice Beauty thing is like, it doesn't really matter to me too much. It's not like a big deal. Then we got a set of 2 Hydrogel masks. Now, I'm not the biggest mask person, so you won't catch me like, oh, I need a daily mask, or oh, I'm gonna apply a mask like 2 or 3 times a week. Like, that's not my jam. I have to be in the mood to put a mask on. I'd rather put a sleeping mask on and go to bed. Like, I don't need this. I don't need this, okay? But I'm okay with getting it in the box. So these are from Tula Skincare, and it's their Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. So it's staying with that cosmic theme, the stellar theme. So it says it has probiotics that are going to help calm the look of inflammation and aid in moisture retention. Cool. Grapefruit, which is an antioxidant and a superfood that brightens the appearance of skin. And Gotu Kola, which is a herb that conditions the skin and helps improve the look of elasticity. And Chamomile, which calms, soothes, and helps relieve the look of redness. There are no phthalates in here, parabens, mineral oils, sodium lauryl sulfates, formaldehyde, and they are cruelty free. All right, sweet. Again, I am not an ingredient person, so I don't know what the hell is happening. But the first ingredient is water, and followed by glycerin, which I don't think is like high quality skincare ingredients, but you know, whatever. It says too that it contains 2% salicylic acid. This does not say anything about salicylic acid. Why y'all lying to me? I think they got it mixed up on this little pamphlet, but whatever, it's fine. I'll use it, you know, get a little hydration going on because it's winter time and, you know, we need all the hydration we can get. The final thing in this is a 2-piece brush set from BoxyCharm. And there are 2 brushes in this collection. They also have, I believe, a 3-piece and a 5-piece set, but that comes in the upgraded premium box. And these 2 brushes, I was trying them when I just got them because they're a unique shape. Like it has a pick shape to the handles, like that pointed tapered brush handle. Feels really top heavy because the handles are lightweight, but the heads are heavy. And it has like this different shape to the heads, right? Looks like a little broom. I was like, all right, let's see. It has more of like a buffer brush shape, which I really like for foundation. You have a bigger one and a smaller one. And I like the texture of these. They feel really soft on the skin. And since I like more of a buffer brush for foundation and concealer, I think I'm gonna enjoy using these. They feel really good. So I'm actually really happy with these. I didn't get like the eye brushes that they have in the larger set. So these 2 little face brushes, I think are gonna work out. So I am really happy with this. Those retail for $35. The masks retail for $22. So I have an overall retail value here of $160. I paid roughly $30. I rounded up, of course. And I got 6 items because I got 2 of the masks. So I'm gonna, do you love how I say masks? I try to enunciate so I get it all out, but 2 masks. And I love this box. I really love the palette, which is why I signed up for the box. I love the liquid lipstick because it's a beautiful color. I'm okay with the masks and I am excited about the brushes. The only thing like I'm not really thrilled about is this little eye cream thing. But for $50, I'm like, all right, I'll try that. I ain't got no problems. So I'm excited, guys. I like this box. Again, I canceled my subscription already and I was kicked off their PR list. But I think I still have the affiliate link. So I'm going to leave my link below if you want to go ahead and sign up through my link. I do think BoxyCharm is still one of the better subscription boxes because you do get 5 full-size products and they tend to be from pretty well-known brand. And since they bumped up the price now, they're trying to be a little bit more exclusive. They're trying to incorporate higher end brands. Not like the little throwaway brands that we get like the little eyeliners from that you're like, I don't even want this at all. They're stepping it up, trying to get better brands into the box. So I'm really excited to see what they have moving forward. Since they're sneak peeks, I can see if they're products that I'm excited to try out and just sign up for the box for that month specifically. So if I get a box that I'm really excited about, I'll go ahead and share that with you guys. But other than that, I'm not gonna sign up because I don't wanna keep bringing products into my collection. But if you have a smaller collection or if you just like getting a surprise every month, you might actually like this box. And I feel like they're getting better and better and better. Even in the premium box, you could choose like one of the products. And I was looking through the list for November. They had a Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette, which is like Natasha Denona in a subscription box? Excuse me. I don't know if that's cheapening her brand a little bit. Natasha, you gotta have sales, sweetie. What's going on? Then they have a Dragon Beauty Perfecting Potion, which makes sense. Like Dragon, who's buying that? And they also have like a Becca Glow Gloss, some intensive eye cream from QMS Medi Cosmetics, a Campari Coconut Rose Toner, which I've heard good things about the Campari products. So you get like some fun things in here, guys, and that's where you can choose your item from. And I don't know, like they're stepping it up, guys. And I'm interested to see what else they come out with. If they come out with something fire, I will sign up and get that box just like I did for this month. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I will leave my affiliate link below where you can sign up. Check it out. I do think it's a fun box to get. You can just do monthly kind of like me and just sign up when you feel like the box is exciting. Or you can do a 3-month subscription, a 6-month subscription, or a 12-month subscription. It's up to you. I'm just happy with the way I'm approaching it now because I feel like I'm gonna be more excited about the boxes if I see the sneak peeks and see products that I truly want. So let me know if you guys got the box, what you got in the box, what you're most excited about in the box. Did you get the premium? What do you think about the new premium? Have you gotten BoxyLuxe? Like, tell me all the things. Let's talk about BoxyCharm, guys, because It's fun. It's fun stuff. And I really wanted to share this video with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, where we have fun. We're a little vulgar, a little scandalous over there. But you know, if you're not into the PG stuff, you know, we can do stuff over there. And until my next video, which will be very soon, I'll talk to you. Bye, guys.